Hey everyone! For this trip to Thailand, I'm going to eat what Thai people actually eat. Some of these dishes might surprise you. Let's go! In case you don't know, Thailand is full of food. Food is everywhere, outside or inside the mall. What did I say? They have food outside and inside of the mall. I don't know why other people are taking photo here. It's a crisscross escalators in Central Park Shopping Center, which is considered iconic. But to be honest, I prefer the rooftop. See you in part 2. Bye!